These tricks made my mind go, we are saving tons of time and money today cleaning, and I want you to leave feeling like, yeah, that's a hack I actually want to use. Here are 7 easy ways you can clean your home faster. We're keeping it easy and realistic today, so you've got more time for the people that mean the most to you. The vast majority of products in this video you can find at the dollar store, and if you can get it cheaper somewhere else, I'm gonna let you know that too. But we are diving right in with Fabuloso. I love this scent. Did you know you can take off the cap and put on a dish soap dispenser cap? And this makes it so much easier to put product in spaces. Fabuloso cleans everything: wood, grout, tile, bathrooms, glass. It's such a great all-purpose cleaner. I absolutely love my O-Cedar mop. I've been talking about it legitimately since 2016, well before it was a thing on TikTok. This is a really great way to control the amount of water on your floor. It works great with Fabuloso and to clean it fast. More than that, they have a new version of this mop that separates the clean water and the dirty water to make your cleaning a lot more efficient, but it does cost a little bit more. If you want to save the money or hack your way using your mop, check out this trick. Grab one of the mini trash cans from the Dollar Tree, fill it up with water, and stick it inside the well of your mop. Then you're going to use my super secret Fabuloso trick and squirt it inside. Then you can mop your floor like normal. When you take out the trash can that had the clean water in it, all the dirty water will be left behind, so you can dip as many times as you need to, and it's not going to get contaminated. This is such a good trick. Be sure to give it a try. Take this out. The dirty water is down there, never mixes with the clean water, and yes. And don't forget, you can use your O-Cedar mop for more than just mopping your floor. I like to stick a rag inside of mine, and you can use this to clean baseboards. It is the perfect amount of product and water every time. That is why I'm always using it. Be kind in the comments. I just want to show you this because we cannot be alone here. This rag does a really good job of cleaning the baseboards, especially right by toilets. If you have you can really get in there and take it all up. And it's got the Fabuloso on it, so it's disinfecting as you go. Fabuloso. For a long time, I've been talking about the dollar store glass cleaner. This stuff is bomb.com, but you can also get it from anywhere else too, and you can hack your way to faster cleaning. Check this out. I learned this next trick from this creator on TikTok. You can make your own Swiffer using Dollar Tree products, super easy, or you might have one at home. You also need a glass cleaner, and you need the Dollar Tree scrub-free glass cleaner. You don't want too much. Now, we take our Swiffer and glass rag. Oh, this is so easy. I think I have the biggest mirror on YouTube. Someone let me know if you have a mirror that's bigger than this in your house. There's so many glass surfaces in our house. Once I get started, I like to go as much as I can with the time that I've got. You'd be surprised the amount of things you can clean. Fun secret tip if you made it this far. The dollar store brought back the towel racks. We use these all over our house, but did you know that the spray bottles also fit really well on them? If you're diluting LA's Totally Awesome or Fabuloso, it's a great way to store it in a small cabinet. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, tell them that Kathryn sent you and go straight to the cleaning aisle and grab a pack of Suavitel dryer sheets and some of the scent boosters. Watch this trick. Scent beads are everywhere right now. Those sales must be through the roof because they're all over TikTok. But you're just gonna stick this right on your dryer sheet and add a rubber band to the top. I think these look really cute to boot, and they'd also work great in a sock drawer. Let me know if you give this one a try and what scent you like. You know how scent has good throw, like cleaning tricks that really work and help your home smell better? Just trust me on that one. Let's talk about dupes. I'm talking about items you can get at the dollar store for way cheaper. They're actually more expensive in other spots. I think the knockoff Febreze is really good. This Febreze knockoff is from the Dollar Tree, just $1.25, and it has amazing reviews. It's a brand new product, so I'm gonna try it out. It's perfect for the pillows. Freshen these guys up. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it does smell like Febreze. I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Good. And I also think the knockoff OxyClean is really great from the Dollar Tree. They just got this back, and this stuff works just as well. However, be wary, my friends, sometimes things like the fridge odor eliminators, you can actually get them for under $1 at other stores like Walmart, and the carpet deodorizer. That's another thing you want to buy probably from your grocery store or Walmart. But this stuff is fantastic. Definitely give it a try. I think the smell is nice and subtle, and it does a better job than baking soda alone. Sprinkle this on your carpet, let sit for about 15-20 minutes, vacuum it up. We use it a lot because of that guy. Copper. But there is one thing you can get from the Dollar Tree. Grab a mason jar and then one of the flower lids, and you can actually put baking soda in this yourself, stick it in your refrigerator, and you've got a DIY one you made for just a few cents. Save yourself the cash. So I want to tell you a quick story. I get asked all the time about keeping your house clean and tips and tricks, and I love making these videos for you guys. And I feel like it can look like my house is much cleaner than it is. Just trust me. I think it's also helpful, especially when you're watching cleaning videos, because you look around at your own house and you're like, oh goodness, I have a lot to do. And I think for me, I've been feeling kind of overwhelmed. Actually, this week, there was a small film crew over at my house doing a segment for a news station, and it was really fun. But when they came over, I remember my first thought was, oh my gosh, am I clean and organized enough to be considered a clean and organized person that someone would want to share about somewhere? And I get this like weird imposter syndrome where I'm like, my house is not perfect. If you open up stuff, things are gonna fall out on you. I am an imposter. Like, I literally had that thought, and it turned out fine. It always does. But I wondered how many of you feel the same way too, especially seeing so many clean things and you just wish your house looked like that. But my mantra has been, if it's not dirty enough to slow you down, it's clean enough. Maybe it's just the perfectionist in me, or I want to feel like I'm taking care of my home, and that's taking care of my kids too. But it goes by so fast, and honestly, I don't think they really need it. It's clean enough. So sometimes my house goes by the wayside. There are places that are hidden that are definitely dirty, and I'll get to them eventually. Plus, by the time it gets actually dirty, it's really satisfying to take care of. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. I just wanted to say that because I was feeling so down on myself this week for getting behind on stuff, but it really isn't about that. It's about doing the best you can and making it work. And I hope the tips in this video made it just a little bit easier for you. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough, and I mean it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe because I want to catch you there. Bye.